Episode is brought to you by Natural Balanced Jerky Bar, fish and sweet potato formula, premium treats for dogs.
This is Being Like on a Cheezeburger Den, and I'm gonna eat some jerky bar. Please like and subscribe, and please share my videos.
How is it?
Pretty dry. Holy fuck, dogs like this crap?
Can you tell us how you're feeling right now?
I'm feeling like wanting to spit. Oh god. Please like and subscribe, boys.
Brought to you by Natural Balanced Jerky Bar. Not for human consumption.